Welcome to the show called Beyond Our Galaxy. We Earthlings live in a very big place called the solar system. We live in a galaxy known as the Local Group, also known as the Milky Way Galaxy. As we Earthlings look up into the night sky, we often ask ourselves this big question. Could there be life beyond our own solar system? Is there other kinds of alien life forms waiting for us to find them? There is one thing that has always fascinated Earthlings. Aliens from outer space. Whether friendly,
Greetings, Earthlings!
or evil. Earthlings are always fascinated with alien creatures. And flying saucers from another planet. We Earthlings are awed with what is out there or the possibilities in space. We Earthlings live in a place called the solar system with 9 planets and many moons that are found in it. The first 4 planets located in our sun are called the inner planets. The planets located beyond the asteroid belt are called the outer planets. The inner planets are also called the inferior planets because they are smaller than the outer planets that are also called the superior planets because they are bigger than the inner planets. For now, here are some beautiful space pictures to enjoy viewing. Why man has launched space probes out into our solar system. Man has sent up space probes like the Mariner and Voyager to search for life in our solar system. So, we take our first journey to the planet Mercury. Our first journey takes us to planet Mercury. next picture shows Mercury's symbol. The Mariner 10 space probe arrives at planet Mercury on March 29, 1974. Planet Mercury is the first inner planet in our solar system. Planet Mercury is 37,182,355 miles from the Sun. So, could we Earthlings live on this planet? In fact, could any kind of life form be found here? Planet Mercury's temperatures are so extreme that no Earthling could possibly live on this one. Mercury is also called the god of commerce. The next picture is a comparison picture of Mercury and Earth. There is no way that 7 billion Earthlings could live on this small planet Mercury. But in all reality, no Earthling could possibly do any kind of business on this planet, so we'll have to keep on exploring our solar system to see if life could possibly exist on another planet here in our solar system. But for now, here are some more pictures to enjoy for a few minutes of planet Mercury. Planet Mercury has no moons as well. Well, it's time to leave planet Mercury and travel on to the next possible place to see if life could exist there. We now journey to the second planet in our solar system, planet Venus. Planet Venus is also called the bright and morning star. The next picture shows the symbol of planet Venus. Well, it's time now for a brief PSA or public service announcement from your local community television station. So, get yourself a warm cup of coffee or a cool glass of iced tea, and we'll be right back with more of Beyond Our Galaxy.
There are many statistics in our lives, but they never matter until we become one. My only son became a statistic. Stand up and be counted to end the cycle of violence.
Log on to thepeacealliance.org to find out how you can get involved.
Welcome back to the second part of the show called Beyond Our Galaxy. Venus, the goddess of love. The distance of Venus from the Sun is closest is 28.6 million miles. Farthest from the Sun is 67 million miles. The average distance from the Sun is 67 million miles. Temperatures are extreme hot on planet Venus. Could life possibly exist here on the second planet from the Sun? There is one thing that exists on Venus that would make it almost impossible for Earthlings to survive here. And it's called the greenhouse effect. Gases are trapped within Venus, making this a dangerous place to live. The greenhouse effect makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system. No Earthling could ever possibly survive on Venus. Planet Venus also has no moons as well. Here are some more pictures of Venus to enjoy for a brief few moments. We now depart from planet Venus to journey on our next most popular planet in the solar system. Earth. Earth's distance from the Sun is 93 million miles. Population of Earthlings, 7 billion. Earthlings have both male and female species. Earth is the only possible planet these species can survive. There are other forms of life on this planet as well. Mammals, animals, and insects. Bears. Whales. Nasty, bloodthirsty mosquitoes. Yes, there is life on this planet we call Earth. Earthlings love to do these three following things. Eat. Work. And shop. Oh, one more thing too. Sleep. Man, this is a life for me. Man is a creature of doing things also. Man, I'm bored. I sure could use a more exciting job. Earth has one moon. The Earth's moon is about 230,000 miles away. The next picture shows what Earth's symbol is. Earth has 7 continents and 4 oceans. Can you name what the 4 oceans are? The 4 oceans of Earth are Can you guess what the biggest Earth ocean is? The Pacific Ocean, 6,397,000 miles, covers about 35% of the planet Earth. Earth's chemical makeup is Earth is the most perfect place for Earthlings to live. Here are now some more beautiful pictures of planet Earth to view for a few moments. There is another myth from Earthlings that when it is a full moon out at night, the wolves come out to howl. But again, is it only a myth? Population, 7 billion Earthlings. While planet Earth is the right place for Earthlings to live, planet Earth is starting to become a little bit overcrowded. Where in the world, then, could Earthlings live outside of Earth? This is a big question today that both astronomers and scientists are asking as Earth gets more crowded, and overcrowded.
Hey man, get out of my space.
We're not in your space. Yo, yo.
Yeah, get out of our space, mister. Hey, quiet down there. Don't you know it?
Know what, dirtbag?
It's time for a brief PSA.
What is that?
A public service announcement from your local community television station, y'all.
So get yourself a warm cup of coffee
Or a cool glass of iced tea.
And we will be right back with more of
Beyond our galaxy.
Exhilarating exercise, competitive excitement, rewarding experiences. Put every member of your family on the fast track with Michigan BMX. Admissions free and equipment affordable. Get the gang together for a fun, wild ride. Get the jump now on a track near you at mibmx.com.
Hey, I'm Ted from GRTV, and I'm here to make a show about how to put a show on GRTV. All you got to do is have a tape, or a DVD, or a flash drive with your video on it, and you bring it down here to GRTV. We're at 711 Bridge Street. It's the second floor of the Bridge Street Library. Come on up. All you got to do is grab a form here, GRTV application for Cablecast. I already filled this one out. It's got my name of the show, length of the show, all real basic stuff about the show. And then you want to read through this contract. It's got some basic legal obligation stuff. Sign a date at the bottom, and then you want to put your contact info so we can reach you, your phone number, your email address, your whatever you've got to fill out for that, and then fill out a little survey on the back. And all you got to do is bring it in, hand it in to Liz, and you're done. That's it. You're done, son. Woo! You're done, son. I like that. I'm a dork. I like that. Okay, well, that was fun. Okay. You think that was good? I think that was good.
Welcome back to this last part of the show called Beyond Our Galaxy. We now journey to our last inner planet of our solar system. Closest to the sun, 128.6 million miles. Farthest from the sun, 154.8 million miles. Mars from the sun, total distance, 128 million miles. Someday, man will overpopulate the Earth, so then Earthlings will be taking a trip to Mars. Someday, Earthlings will possibly travel to Mars as our Creator gives us the wisdom to do so. But why journey to the planet Mars? because astronomers and scientists, with the help of our space probe, have found water at both the North and South poles. Mars has also 2 moons, Phobos, Deimos. Earthlings have sent a special space probe ahead of us called the Mars Rover to explore what Earthlings may find when they reach the red planet. Earthlings will one day land on Mars. Someday, I'll strike it rich. Well, for now it's only a dream, but for now, here are some more beautiful pictures of Mars to enjoy for a brief moment. Well, that is all for now. Only time will tell what we Earthlings will discover way out there beyond our galaxy.